Buttery, golden, and sweet inside. This is a perfect side dish for our holidays. Enjoy Thanksgiving and Christmas with this recipe. Holiday season is my favorite season. Let's make a cornbread for our holidays. We're gonna start with 1 cup of melted butter. Has to be room temperature and melted. I'm going to put the whole kernel corn and 1 can of sweet corn. There is a 1 cup of sour cream, 1 stick of butter and 1 stick of sour cream. Adding 1 egg. This super moist cornbread, guys. And adding Jiffy corn muffin mix. You can also add a honey mixture as well too. Add 1 packet of Jiffy corn. This is the plain one. It also comes with a honey flavor and different flavor. I try to stick with the original one. I'm going to drain a little bit of liquid. We don't want to have too watery in my bread. This is 1 can of whole corn kernel. These are the sweet corn. Let's mix well. And then I'm going to add, since it's sweet, buttery, I do want to add jalapenos. On my mixture, I'm going to add just a pinch of salt, just to balance out the flavor. The sweet, salty, and spicy. Let's slice it. These go as a topping, guys. Few of them I'm going to mix already. And now it's ready to bake into my baking sheet. My oven is 350-degree temperature, already preheated, ready to rock and roll, guys. For my mixture, I'm going to remove my seed from jalapenos. So 350-degree, ready to bake for 35 minutes, and then we're gonna sprinkle some cheese, guys. It's been 35 minutes while my cornbread is baking. I'm gonna take it out. And now I'm gonna add little cheese. 10 more minutes. These are our toppings. Depend how cheesy you like. Ooh. And sprinkle some green onion and back to the oven for 10 more minutes. In the same temperature, 350 degrees for 10 more minutes, and then we're ready to serve. Our baking is done. Let's ready to test. Let it rest for 10 minutes before we serve it. That's time to serve. There you go. Golden, smoky, delicious cornbread is